I am sure if you and I were to go and buy a Google Pixel phone today, let's say a Google Pixel 7 Pro phone, right? I'll get it for around 400,000 naira. You will get this same phone. There is nothing wrong with it, with my own. You will get it for over 500,000 naira. The exact same phone. The exact same vendor too. You are surprised, right? Yes. This is true because you do not know the price brackets of all these phones. So the vendor can look at you and like, and give you one price. I think you're getting the best deal. And it's telling you, because of you, because of you, make I give you 550k last. But once I entered there, I just tell them this is it, and they gave me the best price. Because see, right now, most people buying Google Pixel phones, they are buying blindly. And that is exactly how you'll be paying for that vendor's brand new Benz. And you're wondering, your vendor just hear Benz, not knowing that it's all this extra 100k, 150k from you guys that are funding them. So in this video, I am breaking down Google Pixel prices in Nigeria from 2016 all the way to 2026. That is from the very first Pixel ever made to the latest Pixel 10 series. But this video is not just about the price list. I'm also going to show you which Pixel phones are still worth buying today, which one you should avoid completely, and how to avoid overpaying or getting a bad deal. Because Pixel phones, right, you need to know the price to understand what you are going for. Now, let us be real. Pixel phones are not like, iPhones or Samsung in Nigeria. They do not have an official store, no standard pricing, no proper regulation. So what happens? Sellers price based on you. If you don't know the real value, like I said, you can easily pay 100 to probably 300k extra without even realizing it. And this is why this video matters. Before we jump into the prices, you need to understand something very important. Pixel prices are not fixed. They depend on the exchange rate, the availability, the condition. Is it UK used or you're going for the original brand name? Talking about original brand name, my first video I talked about how to see phones, Google Pixel, iPhone, Samsung, how to know if they're original brand name and not just repackaged or really activated phone. Okay, and also the location they are getting it, because most times Lagos is more affordable than others in terms of buying gadgets. Okay, and one more thing people ignore is the regional support. Now, some Pixel features don't fully work in Nigeria. Sometimes you are paying premium price for features you can't even use. Let's start from the origin. The first Pixel ever in 2016, you can get it for 30 to 60k. That's the Pixel. Then the Pixel XL, you can get it from 30k to 60k, right? Now, they are basically collectors in items right now, so do not buy it to use. Talking about collector items, I would even love to get it and keep for myself. I don't know, I would love to have way older flagship phones in the long run. Where is the last one? Okay, so this is it over here. I would love to have, let's say, if I can even see my hand, have, the iPhone. The first iPhone is going to be very, 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 very expensive. So probably iPhone 2, 3, and the rest of them. So if you know someone that sells something like this, both for iPhone, Samsung, Google Pixel, let me know. Just link us up and I would love to purchase sets. So maybe very soon I do that camera comparison that MKBHD did. You understand? That's how he was able to do it. So yeah. Now on the Pixel 2 in 2016, you can get the Pixel 2 for 80 to 120k. Then the Pixel 2 XL from 100k to 150k. Now the Pixel 3, you can get it from 150k to around 180k. The Pixel 3 XL from 160k to 200k. Now at this point, these phones are actually outdated. You might be tempted to go for it because of the low price, but long term, it is not actually worth it. Unless you want to use it as a collector's item, like I just showed you. Now let's move to the older Pixel phones. So the Pixel 4, you can get it from 170k to 220k. Pixel 4 XL, 190k to 250k. Pixel 3a, 80k to 120k. Now Pixel 5, you can get it from 180k to 230k. Pixel 4a, 130k to 180k. Pixel 4a 5G, 160k to 220k. Now listen carefully, guys. These are the lowest I'm going to recommend if your budget is very tight. That is, if you want to use a Google Pixel phone and your budget is very tight. Because even here, you need to be careful about the battery health and the longevity. Now I get into the serious value territory. So the Google Pixel 5a from 190k to 240k. The Pixel 6 from 220k to 270k. Now all these are used, right? Pixel 6 Pro, 300k to 400k. Pixel 6a from 210k to 270k. Pixel 7 from 280k to 380k. Pixel 7 Pro from 370k to 470k. So I got this my own, I think 410. So you can see I got a very good deal. Okay. Now this is where most people should actually focus on. As you can see, I am with the Google Pixel 7 Pro. I'm enjoying what I'm getting from this phone. You're getting solid performance, good camera. It is still relevant for the software. I am not really breaking the bank. Now, guys, this is where things get really interesting. So the Pixel 7a you can get from 300k to 400k. Pixel 8 you can get from 430k to around 500k. Now, like I said, all this I'm talking about is used prices. Okay, so Pixel 8 Pro from 500k to 650k. Then the first Pixel Fold from 600k to 800k. Now Pixel 8a from 400k to 500k for the used, then 500 to 600k for new. As if you can see the brand new, original brand new. Pixel 9 650k to 750k used, then 750k to 900k for the brand new. Pixel 9 Pro 800k to 900k for the used, then around 900k to 1.2 million for the brand new. Pixel 9 Pro XL 850k to 1 million naira for the used, then 1.1 million naira to 1.5 million naira for the brand new. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold 1 million to 1.7 million naira. So these are the best balanced phones you can get right now. The performance, the cameras, the update, everything is solid. Now for the newest models, as at the point I'm making this video. Yeah, so the Pixel 9a 550k to 700k for used, 700k to 950k for brand new. Pixel 10 750k to 900k for used, 900k to 1.2 million naira for brand new. Pixel 10 Pro 900k to 1.1 million for used, then 1.1 million to 1.4 million for brand new. Pixel 10 Pro XL 1 million to 1.6 million, depending on if you're going for used or brand new. Then 10 Pro Fold 1.7 million to around 2.2 million, depending if you're going for a used or brand new. Now the Pixel 10a from 900k to 1.1 million, depending on that used or brand new. Now listen, at this level, pricing becomes very sensitive, as you can see. If you see a deal that looks too cheap, it is either refurbished, repackaged, or not what you really think it is. Okay, now before I forget, I created a Facebook and Telegram group for Android users where you can ask questions based on the phone you want to go for. What Android phone should I go for with this my budget, or anything around your Android phones, right? You get the latest Android updates. You banter iPhone and iPhone users. It is more like a community, an Android community, solid one. So you can go and check it out. All right. Then iPhone users, if you want something like this, let me know and I will think about it. So you guys are so many people, so I'm going to create one just for you guys. Okay. I also uploaded multiple videos I am sure you're interested in, and I'm still working on more videos like this too. Yes. So make sure you like, subscribe, and you turn on the bell notification icon and check them out. How do you buy a Google Pixel phone without getting scammed? This is the most important part, because Pixel phones are tricky in Nigeria. Here is what you should do. Always check the IMEI number before buying. Confirm warranty and activation status. Avoid too clean old models labeled as brand new. Ask about region limitations, and most importantly, do not rush. Pixel deals will always come, but your bad decisions will stay with only you. So I'm making a video where I tell you who the Google Pixel phones are for. Yeah, so you can know if you should go for a Google Pixel phone today, because most of my TikTok videos or my Facebook or shorts, right? People ask me, I want to go for the Google Pixel. Is it a good buy? Can I do this? Can I do that? I'm going to explain everything you need to know before you go for a Google Pixel phone in general today. So make sure you've subscribed to the channel to get it. All right. Now, at the end of the day, buying a Google Pixel phone in Nigeria today is not hard, but buying it correctly, this is where most people get it wrong. Now, you've known the real prices, the best options, and what to avoid. So nobody should use your money and buy Benz again at all. So if this video helps you, hit the like button and subscribe. And also tell me in the comments, would you pick a Google Pixel phone over, an iPhone or a Samsung? I'll see you guys in the comment. And as always, if you want to go for any phone today, make sure you stay sharp, stay smart, smart tips.